Trump the Solana King, TRUMPKIN, will skyrocket over 16,000% before exchange listings. Trump the Solana King could turn early investors into multimillionaires, like other meme coins, such as Shiba Inu, SHIB, and Dogecoin, Doge, did. Trump the Solana King, TRUMPKIN, a Solana meme coin launched today, is set to explode over 16,000% in price in the coming days. This is because TRUMPKIN is set to soon be listed on numerous crypto exchanges, according to reports. This will give the Solana meme coin exposure to millions of additional investors, who will pour funds into the coin and cause its price to rally, which will benefit investors who buy before these new exchange listings. Currently, Trump the Solana King can only be purchased via Solana decentralized exchanges, like jup.ag and radium.io, and early investors stand to make huge returns in the coming days. Early investors in SHIB and Doge made astronomical returns, and Trump the Solana King could become the next viral meme coin. Trump the Solana King launched with over $8,000 of liquidity, giving it a unique advantage over the majority of other new meme coins, and early investors could make huge gains. How to buy? To buy Trump the Solana King on radium.io or jup.ag ahead of the CEX listings, users need to connect their Solflare, MetaMask or Phantom wallet, and swap Solana for Trump the Solana King by entering its contract address. If you don't have one of these wallets already, you can create a new wallet in a few minutes and transfer some Solana to it, which will then be used to buy the meme coin, from an exchange like Coinbase, Binance and many others. Early investors could make returns similar to those who invested in Shiba Inu, SHIB, and Dogecoin, Doge, before these meme coins went viral and exploded in price. If this happens, a new wave of meme coin millionaires could be created in a matter of weeks, or potentially even sooner. The Solana meme coin craze continues amid larger meme coins, like Shiba Inu, SHIB, Dogecoin, Doge, and Dogwifit, WIF, trading sideways in recent weeks and losing momentum. This is why many SHIB, Doge and WIF investors are instead investing in new Solana meme coins, like TRUMPKIN. Such meme coins have no utility and no inherent value, but investors looking for high gains have been investing in them due to their potential to rapidly rise in price.